Hi, welcome to this video. In this video, we will walk you through the process of generating a custom test report. This tutorial consists of a series of 3 videos to demonstrate our reporting flexibility. This is the first part of the tutorial. Switch to the Test Management module. Select a test group and a test code from the drop-down menu. Select one or multiple test records and click Export as PDF or Export as XLS or Export as CSV. Enter a file name, a report title, and a subtitle. You can choose the preferred alignment, font size, font and background color of the report title and subtitle. Using the formatting options, you can choose the preferred alignment, select font size, font color, and background color for the column header. Similarly, you can format the table contents and the section title. If you would like to use a color for the alternate rows, select Yes and choose a color. To select a table border, select Yes and choose a border style. For dual color style, select Yes and choose a background color. You can define the spaces around a text in the report using the Advanced Settings. You can choose the alignment of the current date below the header text and the report title. Press Update to save the settings. You can further customize the report using the page options. You can include your company logo and choose its alignment, position, width, and height to personalize the report. Add your company logo from the Application Settings module. Select No to exclude your company logo from the report. To include a watermark in the report, select Yes and specify the watermark text. You can include up to 3 headers in the report and choose its alignment, font size, and width. You can select a preferred header template from the drop-down menu and tick Header Border to include a border around headers. You can also specify a footer and define its alignment and font size. To add today's date to the report, tick Current Date. Tick Include the current date in the footer to include the current date in the footer section of the report. To include a text next to the current date, mention the text in the box. You can decide the size, font color, and position of the text. You can choose to include or exclude page numbers in the header, footer, both header and footer. You can specify the page width, height, and page offset. Thank you for watching the video. Watch the second part of the tutorial to continue learning how to generate a custom test report. For any suggestions or questions, please email us at support@cloudlims.com or call 1-302-789-0447.